Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and simple video. This time showing you how to install a SIM card into a Google Pixel 4 or Pixel 4 XL. So all you'll need for this is the Pixel 4, a nano SIM card and a SIM card remover, or you can use a paperclip if you don't have one, but it should have come in the paperwork in the box. So what you're going to do is take your Pixel 4, it can be on or off, and take the tool, and on the left hand side you'll see a card slot here at the top. You want to put your SIM card tool into that hole there, pop it out, and then put the phone down, and you'll see here the tray, and you'll see this little metal cover on the back. So you want to take your SIM card facing upwards with the contacts, drop it in there like so, and then with the contacts facing the front of the phone or towards you, slide it back into the hole there, and then that's it. And you should see there in the top right, we now have service, and it's going to go ahead and connect to our service provider. So that's how you install a SIM card into the Google Pixel 4. If you have any questions, do post a comment down below. If you found this video useful, please hit that like button, it really helps out the channel. And if you want to watch more Pixel 4 videos, make sure you subscribe down below. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video.